after almost an hour of transmission, the sound stops.
Boy, it got quiet, didn't it?
Before they re-enter radio contact with Earth, the astronauts discuss whether to report their experience to mission control.
Don't believe it. Nobody? Shall we tell them? I don't know. We ought to think about it.
The Apollo 10 sounds remain a mystery for decades, until another NASA probe uncovers a possible clue to their nature.
The Cassini spacecraft picked up broadcasts like this from Saturn.
These noises, some of them are really weird. They even sound, under some conditions, like strange alien speech.
For the sounds from Saturn, there is a scientific explanation.
These are caused by charged particles moving through Saturn's magnetic environment.
Imagine being on the backside of the moon, all alone, away from the Earth, and hearing these kinds of sounds. I can understand how they could have been unnerved.
But the unsettling noises the Apollo 10 astronauts heard could not be caused by magnetic field.
The moon doesn't have an atmosphere or a magnetic field, so we wouldn't expect it to be making any transmissions that could be picked up on a radio.
Since the sounds can't be from the moon, NASA's radio technicians come up with their own theory.
The radios in the two spacecraft were interfering with each other. They were on VHF, and there was a bit of radio interference, and that was the source of the sound.
But Apollo astronaut Al Warden doesn't agree with the radio theory.
The Apollo 10 crew is very used to the kind of noise that they should be hearing. Logic tells me that if there was something recorded on there, then there was something there.
Well, I don't know what the hell that was, babe.
The Apollo 10 astronauts never publicly discussed what they heard.
If you're an astronaut and you start hearing these strange sounds, what are you going to do? They were all absolutely petrified of being grounded if there was even the slightest question mark over their state of mind. So what did? They stayed silent.
To date, the origin of the noises mentioned in the Apollo 10 recordings remains a mystery.
I suspect there's a very, very clear cause of what they heard on Apollo 10, which maybe we haven't uncovered yet. I just think we don't understand it.